Hi, please welcome to Naukri Tube. This is a video job portal. So we are doing a webinar on uh, job front in this COVID times, how really it affected pre and post COVID. So joining with us is Mr. Avnish Sinha, is the banker and the academician, is having a vast experience in the banking sector, and please welcome Mr. Denzel, the senior journalist. Okay. Yes, Denzel, all yours now.
Yes. So, Srini, you set it up for us really well because this is a hard time.
Thank you.
Amnishi, my first question to you is regarding the COVID. So, what is the job scenario right now? For a lot of students who are just coming out of college or just joining the job market, it looks very bleak. But what is the reality? You know the reality better than anybody else.
Good afternoon, Denzel ji. A very pertinent and a very interesting question. And I would love to take it from a different dimension. People say COVID and people say a lot of problems with the COVID, but I see it as an opportunity. Now, you don't need to create a herd. Good people will automatically come in. And who are good people? Good people are those people who run with the technology, who move on with the technology. And right now, this is the right timing. We can hit the nail with the correct point at the hammer. This is the right time where technology is our nail and the application, competency, and applied thought is our hammer. We just need to hit that opportunity with our thought, and the opportunities are immense. Now, companies are more aggressive, more violent because they don't have to spend that much on infra, on maintenance, on creating an environment. Now they only have to create a network and just land that thing over there. So it's just like that boardaway is ready and plane needs to land there. Specifically, financial sector, which is now going to turn around the key. Financial tech sector will take the front seat. As for most of the people, as the resources has been limited, now we need to have good people, good financial background people to manage the things in a better way, and the show can move on if good people come on and handle the limited resources to create a bigger opportunity. So as per me, the market is immense. We only need to harness and exploit this potential. It's
Okay, so
just like
do you see the market growing in a different direction as far as the jobs are concerned? Because obviously the desk job is over and done with. Now it's more I sit at home and I do a virtual job, and that gets me to where I'm. So what is an applicant, or what is somebody who wants to get into the job market have to keep in mind when he is applying, or when he's thinking of joining this market?
correct, correct, very true and pertinent. Since you raised the question, Denzil G, of a desk job, I will, from my experience of a banker for 18 years, the desk job was never a job. It was only a machine thing. You're doing a same thing periodically and regularly. So that desk job is now out. Now out. As a when we were in the financial side, when we were in the banking, we thought more of spending more time with the customer, because the more time you spend with the customer, the better equipped you are, the more it's like a workman who tries to sharpen the tool. So more you visit your customer, you more sharpen your tool, and when you more sharpen your tool, your capacity and your enhancement increases. So Denzil ji, this desktop is now moved on to the artificial intelligence, or probably to a machine learning thing, and the youngsters who want to come into will now get the right broad, right platform, right springboard, and they will now dive into the right place, because the opportunity will be to interact with the customer, to face on with the customer. Whether you face a customer on a brick and mortar model, or you face a customer on an online model, your skill keep on growing and you keep on learning. So now the job, as you rightly raised, Angel ji, job has now moved into a different direction, into a different positive direction, where more opportunity are available. available is coming all the way. Now it is not available. It is coming all the way to the youngsters and those who want to exploit this opportunity and spend, because if you spend more time with customer, you learn your job better, you learn the solutions better. There are two things: when you learn your job better and when you learn your solution better, it makes you a perfect professional. So now it is now the opportunities are better. The only thing is that with a thought process we need to apply and we need to see where we can fit into. It's like a notion where we need to see where we need to station our ship.
Very true.
So
And as far as we're concerned, we are naukritube.com. Just for everybody who's watching us, we are the first online video resume portal. Let's look at it as that, being that it is gone from the brick and mortar version of having your resume about 3 or 4 pages long into one concise video that of course backs up what you are saying on paper, because there has to be proof there. But that is the idea. That is how where we are, and we'd love you to join us in this endeavor that we're doing so passionately. So basically, upload your resume. Now, what I wanted to know from you, Avinish, is as far as applying for jobs is concerned now, right? And it is a virtual world, and NaukriTube is one thing in that direction. One, how well do you think NaukriTube is placed to be in the kind of market that we are in today? One, and two, what should the person keep in mind when he is looking at entering this job market?
perfect. Brilliant. I should I mean, I don't get a word to appreciate these two things which you brought together, Denzil ji. Now, since I talked about the opportunity always brings you a more opportunity to learn, a more opportunity to understand. That's what NaukriTube has brought onto the platter as on this moment. Now you can't create a paper type of thing where you talked about the 4 pages of the CV and did that, did no, nobody has the time in current pandemic times to first look into that piece of paper, and it is so easy that you find that piece of paper and you throw into the crap. Now that is, I might be sounding slightly rude, but that is the reality in current constricted scenario, when more neck to neck fight is there for one job, for one position, for one opportunity, because somehow things have reduced. But good opportunity has come for good individual. There comes the role of the NaukriTube. NaukriTube will give you a first hand impact. If you create a visual CV, and like let's say Denzil ji requires somebody who can do some reporting for Denzil ji while he's writing or creating something. Denzil ji now will not go and look into the 4 pages that which Indian Institute of Mass Communication or with media house or with journal this individual has worked. Denzil ji will be able to evaluate right now what is the aptitude of this person, and that aptitude can easily be judged when a person like the way we are seeing each other. We are not on a brick and mortar structure, we are on an e structure. But does it make our understanding smaller? Does it make our understanding not better? It make our understanding best. We are able to understand each other on a best platform. And the connectivity means, if look, as an employee or an employer, if Denzil ji is talking to a prospective, if Denzil ji is an employer and I am a prospective employee, I want to, he will be in a better position to assess and ascertain me whether I come, whether I fit into his requirement or not. So coming back to the NaukriTube, the opportunity that NaukriTube has given is immense. It has really opened up a plethora. It has opened up a big box. You now need to fit into this big box. You need to get into this big box. How do you? That is your competency. It has given you a brilliant platform where you can showcase yourself, where you can create yourself, where you can present yourself. And now nobody need to wait for 10 days or 5 days to run on the matrix and do scoring, which you used to do in a traditional interview method like a bell curve or a haphazard XY. Now you simply evaluate, see the person, and there and then close the system whether this person is eligible or this person is not eligible. there that 10% Naukri Tube will be able to fill up that 2% and get you the best possible opportunity. So my take on Naukri Tube is that it is a brilliant platform, and more than that, it has come on the right time. It has come
Time.
on the right time to help everyone who wants to do well, to help everyone who wants to get into. If that 2% is bridged up, na, you will leave everybody apart and you will move ahead with the opportunity.
Just want
And
to butt
that
in,
is what.
Minister. See, in the
Hmm,
traditional way, people is in the say. I met a lot of HRs. You know, they said that
hmm,
they used to go through the text resumes. Okay, so they used to call the candidate, and he or she must be somewhere in out of station. So they used to wait for 1 week or 5 days or 2 days to come for a face-to-face interview. So there are a lot of time they used to spend. So to cut down all that, so we thought of coming as a video resume. Okay, so is it what kind of advantages? I mean, because being in
Sir,
the field.
this I would not like to add this, sir, because waiting can be done, but if you don't have a competency, you are permanently out. But this video resume helps you to cover that 2% which I was telling you. You have the 98% competency, but somehow that written letters can't explain your 98%. But when
Yes.
you are in front of your prospective employer, that 2% is immediately filled up, and an employer can immediately take a call whether Shrini ji is a prospective employer and I'm a prospective employee. And if Shrini ji is talking to me online and I have the competency, which anyway, with the experience of the job which Shrini ji is having and the one which he's looking into me, will be able to evaluate. So that 2%, which always made a chances for me not getting into an opportunity which I deserved 100%, is being filled up by Naukri Tube, as it is creating an e-platform for the employer and employee,
Employer.
where an employer can look into the employee. So that this
Excellent.
way.
What just to wrap this whole thing up, in terms of the say the coming 2 years, yeah, how do you see the market and the prospective candidate changing in their heads? Because at the end of the day, it has to be a mindset change. So how do you see that mindset change happening?
Sir, as I discussed with you, now the market does not have the time. Now the time is
Right.
such a critical factor that you need to win over the time. You need to conquer the time. How do you conquer the time? How do you win the time? You need to reduce the difference between the employer and employee. The
Right.
faster employer and employee come together, the better it is for both employer and for employee, because the employer does not have to look for other option. An employee, in spite of being competency, in spite of being ability, has not to look around at all the platform. So now the market is going to be ultra fast, the market is going to be ultra, you can say ultra swing, because now sitting here in India, we can close a deal in US. Earlier you have to fly and take 2 days to start your deal negotiation. Now the deal negotiation can start. If I want to enter into a deal with Denzil ji, who is sitting in Florida or LA or somewhere, I can sit here and close the deal.
And do it.
Similar
Very
is
true.
going to be the market for the job seekers as well as job employers. Now they can immediately get those whom they want, and now those people does not need to look all around the globe. They will
Right.
immediately get an opportunity where they want into. So the bridging of the time is there, the time has been reduced, and now it will create a better bridging and 100% growth in the opportunity.
Thank
So
you so
that's
much.
what
Thank you so
I
much,
feel.
Avnish ji.
Mhm.
Excellent. You've wrapped it up really well. It is an
Thank you.
opportunity actually for both sides, and both sides need to take this opportunity. It is not only the employer, it
Exactly.
is the employee as well, the person who's
Employee.
looking out. He has to have the ability to do that. Thank you so much for joining us, and we will keep coming
Pleasure.
back to you for
Pleasure.
more and more inputs
Thank
on
you.
this
Thank
topic.
you. Any day. Any day.